pretty bright elevator.
You know which one to go?
Don't go to roof.
Let's go to 8.
Go to it. Go ahead. If somebody gets on, you have to stop filming, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Talk about the elevator.
These are also Haughton elevators.
Ah, it's warm in here.
Here's your extra set of fixtures. The only reason we're not going to roof is because they're working up there. And I didn't want to bother them.
Doors moving. Look at that.
Yeah.
That.
Or 8.
No, wait, see if somebody's on. Door's open. There you go. There's the 8th floor.
Or 8. Back to ground.
Yep, down to ground.
Talk.
Yep.
Okay, door close button does not work.
Nope, it doesn't. Go ahead, you can film.
Alright.
Now, it's not that too.
This one's brighter.
Uh-huh. Oh, somebody's getting.
There's one over here too.
The elevator shakes a lot.
Mm-hmm.
There's a motor.
Make sure nobody's out
Here,
there.
ground.
Yeah, there you go.
I think they have a basement here.
You do.
That is the basement. We're in the ground. We're on the basement. Okay, come on. You can watch it close.
It's up there.
It's close.
It's up there.
It's a long time to close.
Yes, that's the hotel.
There it goes.
Okay, Alex.
That's it.